Time now to make sense of shillings and cents in business. Kenya is looking to accelerate the implementation of the World Trade Organization's Trade Facilitation Agreement as part of ongoing efforts to enhance cross-border trade efficiency. Speaking in Mombasa during the opening of a 5-day review workshop on the implementation of WTO Category C measures, the technical reviews and engage political class, emphasizing that goodwill is essential for the successful execution of trade facilitation measures. Ombam called on the committee to ensure that the country's progress aligns with the WTO's global target of reducing trade costs by at least 14%.
We are looking at the increment of share of African exports as percentage of global trade from 3 to 4%, and in terms of value from 500 billion Kenyan shillings to 600 billion Kenyan shillings. If it is intra-African trade compared to like European Union, which is at 69-70% intra-EU trade, we are looking at how we can get to 20% from where we are at 16%.
Really the ease of doing business, really ensuring that trade costs are minimized, because the WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement had actually even put a target that they're expecting by the time you finish all those categories, the trade costs should have gone down by 14%. So we need to start checking where are we at when it comes to those trade costs.